Hi, this is Mrs. Zhu. We're looking at our homework tonight. This homework is going to be completed on page 7. Let's go ahead and start on number 10. That's on page 6 in your textbook. If we look at the problem, they want us to identify if the expression is numerical or variable expression, and then to name the variable if it's a variable expression. For number 10, 14 times 14 is actually a numerical expression because numerical expressions do not have variables in them, just numbers and some operation symbols. Number 11, if I have D plus 54, and because there's a variable, I call this a variable expression, and the variable that is here is the letter D. I'm going to skip down to number 24. Number 24 says that F is divided by 45, so I'm simply going to write and copy the question down, and then I'm going to write my answer next to it, and I'm going to use a division sign, so fraction bar is my division sign, so I'm going to use S over 45, or you can do S, the division sign 45, and it has to be in that order. I'm going to look at number 27. Number 27 says that a number M is going to be increased by 25. If a number is increased by another number, 250, then increased by is also a backwards word, and there are a couple of backwards words which I want to review with us and to maybe put into your notes, since we didn't get to add all of them today in class. This one is not a backwards word, actually. Sorry. So it's just simply going to be 250 plus, M plus 250. Let's look at 28. This one is 6 subtracted from K. And so this is a backwards word, actually. So that's going to be K minus 6. So let me list for you here the backwards words that we need to remember. The backwards words will be increased by, subtracted from, I keep saying that, less than. For addition, it would be more than. It would be added to, as well as more than. Those are some backwards words. So if you see those, you don't want to put whatever they give you first, but you want to flip them. I think you can try the rest of the homework by yourself, but why don't we just try number 30? Number 30 says the number of days in 4 weeks. The number of days in 4 weeks. Well, we do have some information already that we know. We know that there are 7 days in 1 week. And because we know that, we're going to use that to figure out the number of days in 4 weeks. So I'm not looking for the answer, remember, I'm looking to write an expression. So that expression will either be 7 days plus 4, 7 days minus 4, 7 days divided by 4, or 7 days times 4. Which one would make the most sense? Well, I know that 7 days for 1 week, 4 weeks later, would be 28. So the only answer here that reflects 28 would be 7 times 4, so I know that expresses the number of days out of 4 weeks. I would like you to try the rest of your homework by yourself, and we'll see you tomorrow.